So we're going to look at how to multiply with multi-digit integers. And to do that, we're going to take two numbers, let's say 13. We're going to multiply that by 24. So the first thing I want to do is I want to break this 13 up. And I'm going to break it up based on place value. Okay? So 13 is now going to be 10 plus 3. We're going to multiply that by 20 plus 4. So we took those two numbers, those two integers, and we broke it up based on place value. We decomposed them. Okay? Now we can do our area model. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a random spot to start with. I'm going to put a dot there. And I'm going to count over 20 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and then I just draw a line. Okay, and then I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to draw from here down 10 spaces. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's going to give me a nice rectangle. Notice how I'm actually taking the time to draw straight on the lines. We get that. Now, if we wanted to, we could figure out how many squares are in here by counting them, but that's not very efficient. What we want to do is take 10, we want to multiply it by 20. Well, I know that 1 times 2 is 2. I know that 10 times 2 is 20, and I also know that 10 times 20 would be 200. Okay, so there are 200 little tiny squares in there. Next, I want to take this 4. So I did the 20, now I want to do the 4. So I'm going to count from here over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just draw a line along those 4. I still have that 10, so it's pretty easy. I can take it out here, 4, and then I connect them. So plus 4. This is going to be 10 times 4. Well, I know that 1 times 4 is 4, so 10 times 4 would be 40. Okay? All the way across, if I add these together, the 200 and the 40, I would actually get 240. But I'm not done yet. What I now need to do is do my 3. So I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to draw a line that's just 3 spaces down. Notice that if I add my 10 and my 3 together, I get 13. Okay? 1, 2, 3. I draw that line. And then I connect it. What I get here is 3 times 20. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 times 20 would be 60. That means that there are 60 little tiny squares in just this area. Okay, that leaves one more spot, the 3 and the 4. So I go over 4, down 3. That is 3 times 4. Well, I know that 3 times 4 is 12. If I add my 60 and my 12, I get 72. Okay? So I've multiplied all of my digits for 13 by all of my digits for 24. I know that because I have my entire box filled in. The last thing I have to do is add these two numbers together because I want to combine everything that I did up here with everything I did down here. So I want to combine those, and to do that I'm going to add these two together. So 240 plus 72 gives me 2, 11, 3. So my answer for 13 times 24 is 312.